hero of Islam. I wish we told our kids their stories. We usually tell them when they go to public school, the Roman Greek history is the world history for them, the cherry picked, and they don't know how great their heroes were. We have a child of Rasulullah ﷺ also, because he is the child of the beloved of Prophet ﷺ, the Siddiq of Rasulullah ﷺ. His grandson Abdullah ibn Zubair, the son of Zubair ibn al-Awwam. He is yet another hero who did exactly follow this khutbah after the martyrdom of Hussein ibn Ali. That's why this shift in Islam laid foundations for people for all times, that there will always be people in this ummah who will stand for the truth, who will give their life for justice, for honesty, for truth, and they will be among Ahlul Haqq, they will be among Ahlullah. May Allah make you and I among these people. So one of them is also a grandson.